to tell you how to install Anaconda, uh, primarily for Jupyter installation or Jupyter notebook. So type here Anaconda. So here you can also sign in if you have account. Free download is option is here. It is asking for email, so you can skip it also. So here distribution installers and Anaconda installers. So we can go for download for Mac. If you are Mac user, you can go for it. Otherwise, here Windows installation is also given. If you are using Linux, you can also go for it. So for Mac, I am going for 64-bit Apple Silicon graphical installer, and there is another version, command line installer. So we are using graphical here. So it is start installing, but I am going to cancel it because I already installed it. You can see here in my downloads. So I'm going to install it, the downloaded file already. So it is asking for permission. Okay, hello. Now you have to press on continue button. So installation of this package include these files or this versions, whatever it is. You can continue. Now license, continue. Again you have to agree with the license. Allow. Install for all is no. Install for specific disk. Okay, all users, continue. Install. It's asking for my password. Okay, finally takes 2 minutes. Okay. Now it is installed fully successfully, I think. See here, you can see the option in applications, Anaconda navigator. Open it. Here are many options given. You can install PyCharm also, but they are already giving you Jupyter notebook, but that's fine. Launch it. So it will take a bit. Yeah, finally we have opened Jupyter notebook. That is, you can create your folder here, like, and also you can do your folder Python. Open it, then you can create new notebook. Here your command prompt is ready for running commands. Python, actually it is special for Python. Import pandas as pd, like